brought to you by Congressman Stanley Ko at ang Ako Bicol Party List na tahanang Sumpa. We welcome you all inside the municipal covered court of Pampanga for our first game match-up between Team Lebmanan and Team Minalaba. And for the starters of both teams, let's first start with Team Lebmanan at guard, number 35, Sharif Lopez. And at guard, number 28, Franco Gel Claro Jr. At center, number 20, Jaime Hermosa. At forward, number 11, Marginel Mastanyo. And at forward, number 4, Noy Mina. And now your starters for Team Minalaba. At guard, number 13, John Kenneth Luha. At guard, number 4, Mark Anthony Alvaro. At center, number 17, Paul Baal. And at forward, number 9, Rustin Doke. And at forward, number 22, Kyle Baal. And the officials for this ball game, Ruchi Jomargon, umpire 1 in Lyle Osena, umpire 2, William Bulacan. This is once again your Ako Bicol Cup Kamay Sur. Abito!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you just heard the amazing voice of Sir Alex Madronio, aka Kappa Morgan. So again, we're on the day 17. Welcome to Ako Bicol Cup. This is Angelo Espinosilia, the play-by-play commentator, and with me is
Coach Mark, your analyst for this game.
And mapapanood po tayo mga kaibigan sa ating mga channels. We have our YouTube page, Ako Bicol Cup. Sa FB page naman, Ako Bicol Online TV and Ako Bicol Party List. And sa FB page ni Congressman Rep Saldico. Alright. Lebmanan. Now with 2 points and ball possession. Under the rim. Number 11, Masbanyo trying his best. But he didn't make it. Now on the ball. Lob pass but intercepted by Claro. Claro passes to number 4 for a dipsy-do layup. That's Gutierrez making their points. Minalabak now with the ball. Number 4, Albao. Lopez. No good.
Lopez misses that bunny, partner. Sayang nun.
That's a quick runaway. Number 13 against all odds. Number 9, Hops. Uses the floor. Didn't make the shots. That's Doke of Minalabak.
Veterans play by Doke, partner.
Napakaganda.
Talagang binate niya yung defense sa fake niya. And he made sure to convert the 2 points.
And now, Masbanyo doing his revenge points. So, Masbanyo. Minalabak generating a play to make their revenge. With Luha driving the ball. Passes it to the side. Albao drives. But there's a turnover.
So early on, partner, makikita natin that both team wants to play it fast and when they set their defense, pinapakita nila yung zone defense nila.
Tama, and now they will try to penetrate the zone defense by shooting from long range, but Lopez missed it. No, Albao now with the ball once again. Look from his teammates, attacks on his own, no good, rebounded by Doke. Rejected once again, napakagandang depensa ng Libmanan. What a nice pass! Now, two-man play created by Libmanan. Hermosa securing the shot and points for their team.
So Libmanan early on shows the 2-3 defense while nakikita natin na yung Minalabak wants to play a 1-3-1 zone defense pa rin. And again, they're playing fast but mas nagiging prudent dito yung Libmanan as evidently. And we have their score by PJ Baal.
Baal, no? Napakagandang opensa at depensa ang pinapakita, no, ng bawat team.
Masbanyo, 2 points.
Now, Masbanyo, napakagandang mga tira, no, securing points for their team. So this is a seesaw battle between Municipality of Libmanan and Minalabak. Now, Luha attacks. No, and
Number 22 for 2, Kyle Hall.
they make the shot.
Ito na.
Lopez, lab pass inside against 2 with a reverse layup. What a shot once again by Masbanyo.
Libmanan is attacking the 1-3-1 defense and Masbanyo capitalizing on single coverage sa front court na defense na ginagawa ng Minalabak dito.
Tama, and I think Masbanyo is declaring that he is the man under the rim despite the strong defense of Minalabak. So tingnan natin kung paano nila didepensahan si Masbanyo being the king of the rim in this early game. Now Baa with a jumper, nothing but net.
So isa to partner sa mga notable players dito sa Minalabak. Si Engineer PJ Baal. So he played his collegiate at UNC and as makikita mo ngayon, he's manning the middle for Minalabak.
And the big man is an engineer for Minalabak. Napagaling. Baal, no? Eurostep into a finger roll. Napakaganda. No, I think that's the brother of Paul Baal, no? Or if not, relative.
Oo.
Si Baal Kyle, number 22. Napakagandang atake sa loob. Now, Claro looking for revenge. Inside once again, rejected by the big man. Syempre, second attempt, no, for the second chance, but the whistle was blown.
Definitely, ito yung magiging problema ng Minalabak partner. If they opt to play 1-3-1 defense, they should not allow secondary points na kinukuha ngayon, di ba? Again, by Masbanyo being rewarded and sent to the line.
Tama, he's really capitalizing, no, by attacking the key. And utilizing, of course, his good ball handling. So kahit ma-miss niya ang unang tira, no, he will attempt because he think, no, he's good under the rim. Masbanyo securing that second shot.
Making use of his athleticism against a more slower big man, conventional big man ng Minalabak dito, partner.
And that leads, no, to the deadlock of the game. 12, makikita natin, nagitgitan ng labanan. Mainit dito at mainit din ang labanan. Claro with a no-look pass to Agdoro. Napakagandang pasa yun.
Yun na yung sinasabi natin that basketball is not an individual sports. Nakita natin 3 people from the white shirts were running the fast break and was rewarded.
Tama. And it's a reward, no, of experience of Claro being playing his collegiate in NCF as well, no? I think as a point guard as well. So grabe yung kumbaga sa laro, map awareness niya, no? Kung dito, court awareness.
Oo. Parang nag-ML lang, partner. May map awareness.
So sa basketball, it's the court awareness. Kahit parang alam niya kung nasaan yung kakampi niya.
Oo.
And that na put Libmanan, no, into a leading position, but a teardrop was created by Belgica or Belgica. But no good. No, Claro with a fast break sana, but it was intercepted. Nice hustle, no, by number 13, no, si Luha of Minalabak. And it was converted. So good hustle yun, no? Kaya Luha, inaluha ang kalaban.
Talagang high octane tayo dito,
Yan.
takbuhan.
Napakagandang perimeter shot sana yon, no? Pero niluha. So that's a turnover. So an opportunity for Minalabak to cut the lead against Libmanan. Now, Baal driving the ball. Lob pass to Albao. Albao looking for his teammates. Another lob pass to the side. Quick pass inside. Pumoste at nag-fade away. No good. No, for Montemayor.
So isa yun sa mga growing up watching this guy play nung naglalaro pa siya sa collegiate. Isa yun sa mga specialty niya. Roll from the left shoulder galing sa right.
And then fades away.
Oo.
Parang Dirk Nowitzki.
Tignan natin kung ma-convert na yan.
Dirk Nowitzki ng Minalabak. Tingnan natin kung epektibo pa yung favorite shot niya nung college. Now Baal loses the ball.
Passes the ball.
Napakagandang pasa yun, no? A fake shot, no? Pero pinasa. So napakagandang team coordination, mga kaibigan, ang pinapakita ng dalawang team dito. No? Libmanan versus Minalabak. From downtown! No good. No, that was a boardless and ringless shot. And another attempt from the distance. Securing 3 points.
Parang, uy, Jordan Poole.
And that shot was brought to you by Hotel St. Elise. And the 3-point shot of the game. Now, we're at the deadlock. So sa mga nanonood po sa FB at YouTube channel natin, napakagandang bakbakan. So i-type nyo yung mga sinusuportahan nyo na team. Libmanan now leading with 3 points. So stay tuned lang tayo, mga kaibigan, kasi may 3 laro tayo ngayong araw. No? Right after this match, we'll be having Gainsa versus San Fernando. And finally, Pamplona versus Milaor.
The home court team.
Home court team. No? And the neighboring municipality. So tingnan natin. Magandang bakbakan to kasi mapupuno for sure ang ating venue. And that, I think, is a 24-second shot clock violation.
Kagaya nga ng sabi mo, partner, dapat meron tayong court awareness. And doon sa sequence na yon, they forgot that the shot clock was expiring on their side.
Sayang, no? Parang that was a very, very simple yet very important mistake para sa kalaban. No, kasi that's an automatic turnover if you cannot make the shot within 24 seconds. That's why binilisan nila ang play ngayon. They shot a 3 spins. What a shot by Albao.
Smallest player sa side ng Minalabak.
Entering the ring, no? Albao, the giant slayer. Jimenez with a floater from long distance. No good. Puts back by his teammate. Napakagandang back up na ginawa.
Di pa tumalon yun. Napakasimple.
Ni Correa. Ito yung napakaganda, no? I always got your back. Sa mga player.
Parang ang nangyari sa kanya is being at the right place at the right time.
Sana all. Diba? Libmanan now leading with 3 points. So tingnan natin, they still have the ball possession. Are they going to push through, generating a big lead, or makakambak ulit ng Minalabak as they have been doing for the past 8 minutes of the game? And that's what we were talking about. Na-convert nila yun sa point, and that's a 5-point lead, no, for Libmanan.
As we can see here, partner, no, kung titignan natin yung lineup size-wise, mas malalaki yung Minalabak. But ironically speaking, the white shirts, Libmanan, is actually winning the rebound game. Kaya second chance points leading to easy score and second chance opportunities. Ito yung nagpi-plague ngayon sa Minalabak. So Minalabak needs to do better rebounding and box outing if they want to regain the lead at this early on in this game.
Tama yung mga estimation ng mga players from Libmanan. No, they are becoming the glass cleaner under the rim, no, controlling the offensive rebound. So tingnan natin, no, kung ano yung magiging adjustment after the timeout. Minalabak drives the ball. Number 28 spins, throws the ball, hoping for a foul, but no, nothing, was called there. The referee didn't blow the whistle. Now Minalabak, 3 against 2, pushes hard.
Yun yung sinasabi ko, partner. As we can see, Libmanan's energy is actually infectious. So dalawa lang na violet shirts yung bumaba, pero we have 3 players from Libmanan. Wala nang bumabang iba from Minalabak.
Tama, they have the number advantage. Now with 10 seconds remaining, Jimenez throws the ball, no, from a long distance. But that was an ambitious shot. So now, Albao with the ball, passes to the side from downtown, still no good. Na medyo inaalat pa ang mga 3 points natin, parang isa pa lang yung pumapasok. Number 10 with a drop pass and hops, but no good. Grabe ang hassle ng mga player. But I think there's a foul called on number 1 of Candelaria.
Kung iisipin nga natin, partner, medyo siniswerte pa yung Minalabak dito kasi maraming mga ill-advised or unforced turnovers na pinapakita sa atin yung Libmanan at this point. So kung na-convert nila lahat yon, this would, I think this would translate into the double-digit lead ng Libmanan. Pero again, sabi ko nga, siniswerte pa sila at this point.
So, tingnan natin kung magpapatuloy ang swerte o lolobo ang kalamangan ng Libmanan. Because they still have the ball possession with 13 seconds remaining time. So, for sure, they will take this last possession. But Jimenez once again with a very ambitious shot. No, I think that's 1 or 2 meters away from the arc. Therefore, Albao with the last ball possession throws the ball.
And that counts.
And that counts. Napakagandang first quarter, mga kaibigan. Kita ng labanan, that's Libmanan leading with 23 points against Minalabak with, I think, 20 points.
20 points. So, 3-point lead
Ng Libmanan. So, I think ma-update mamaya. So, magbabalik po kami after the first quarter. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I'm Jello, and with me is
Coach Mark, your analyst again for our first game this afternoon.
So if you've been tuning in from the very beginning, napakabilis ng pacing ng ating first quarter, no?
High-octane offense. Kagaya ng panahon natin, mainit din.
Mainit ang panahon, mainit ang bakbakan. That's why Minalabak with the ball possession, attacks the paint with a finger roll. No good, rebounded by Libmanan to Claro. Claro, the playmaker for Libmanan. Quick pass to the side, spins. And back to Claro, pump fakes, drives, and another quick pass. But it was taken away. Nice defense, ref.
Yun na nga, binangga niya yung referee doon. Di niya nakita.
Yun na, kailangan na map awareness. Nakita natin, tumatawa si Ref Inday.
Oo.
Pwede ba yung tawagan foul referee partner? Blocking foul.
Ano yun? Blocking foul by the referee.
Okay, now Claro with the ball. Passes it to his teammate, number 35. That's... Wala siya sa listahan ko. Anong apelyido ng ating number 35? Si Lopez.
Si Sharif Lopez ng Libmanan.
Lopez. It's not number 12 but 35. Priva inbound to Luha. Belhica with the ball, but it was stolen and stripped away. Nag-hassle sa bola. Belhica once again to the side. Asking Minalabak to calm down and take their time. Shoots from beyond the arc. Air ball. Rebounded sana ni Divino, kaso it was already out of bounds. Claro, rejected. No, medyo hindi pinalad, no, because of the height disadvantage. So it was taken away by Minalabak. Minalabak to Luha. Luha, what a nice drive!
Double cross yun, partner.
Grabe, ang bilis ng dribble. Pump fakes, shoots, no good. With a rebound, puts it back by Divino. I think Divino is making his first appearance good. That's his first point of this match.
So kagaya ng ginagawa kanina ng Libmanan, Minalabak, parang pinasok nila yung mga young players nila dito at makikita natin manufacturing the second chance point. And just like that, partner, the breakdown of the 1-3-1 defense by Libmanan. Tingnan natin kung paano to aayusin ng Minalabak.
So tingnan natin, no? That's number 1. Kasi wala na si Masbanyo. I think is in charge of attacking the rim right now because of his confidence and his shots under the rim. So there was a foul call. Minalabak with a quick shot after the inbound with a great offensive rebound, converting it to a point but didn't make it. Sayang, medyo kinapos.
Oo. Sayang nung offensive rebound na yon. So, kung na-convert nila yon, they could have cut the lead to 3 points.
RT into 1 point. Into 1 point.
1 point. Sorry.
Kasi Libmanan now has their 3-point lead. So there was a substitution. Belica is out and Lizardo is in. So tingnan natin. I think Claro once again is generating the play for his team. Passed it to 35. Lopez. Quick pass and a fast break. Once against one. Attacks in a reverse layup. No good. Rebounded by Libmanan.
4 white shirts attacking the other court.
Grabe
And
ang
ayun na nga.
sisipag. Actually, Claro was waiting for a pass outside, but ayan, habang grabe ang action natin, puntahan muna natin si Carmela Hernandez para sa kanyang report. Carmela, take it away.
Magandang hapon mga kasurog. This is Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter. We're live dito sa Pamplona Covered Court para sa ating first matchup this Saturday between Team Libmanan and Minalabak.
Pino for Manila will be shooting 2 free throws.
Pag-resume. Again, we're back, no? Sorry for that short interruption.
Oo. Medyo nag-Christmas light tayo dito kanina, partner.
Sobrang init. No? So, I think nainitan din masyado no, ang mga wires natin.
Oo.
At nagpahinga ng konti.
Nag-rebelde sila ng konti. Sobrang init dito. Inside and outside the court.
So, Minalabak, once again with the ball possession. Lopez from beyond the arc. No good. Quick defensive rebound by Minalabak to get their ball possession. So later, nagpe-prepare lang partner yung ating court side, no? Kasi nabigla siya.
Oo.
So babalikan natin siya in a short while. Meanwhile, in our game, Libmanan is now leading with 4 points. Minalabak trying to cut the lead. Quick pass to a Freeman. Pero nag-hesitate. Tinira pa rin ng may bantay. Oh, that's a lost opportunity sana.
Yan na yung sinasabi natin, partner. Pag binigyan ka ng kakampi mo from inside going to outside, dapat di ka na mag-hesitate. Kasi an open shot is always a good shot.
I see. Tsaka, the first place, you positioned yourself there. So, it's as if you're asking, no, give me the ball and I'll make the shot from here.
Oo. So, talagang ganun yung basketball. You must have the confidence to take the open shot. Kasi, alangan naman, palagi ka na lang nagpipake at ipapasa mo. So, kung ako yung depensa, bakit kita babantayan? Alam kong di ka naman titira, di ba?
Tama, if you will keep on passing, you'll be easy to read. So, a good player must be unpredictable, no? That's
Siyempre.
input from our veteran coach and player, Coach Mark Vasquez. So, yan, I think we're just fixing some technical difficulties from the referee's side. Pero I think it was solved automatically. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome sa ating FB channel. No, kung dito kayo nanonood, napapanood rin po tayo sa ating mga different streams from Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Portalist at FB page ni Congressman Rep Saldico. This is brought to you by Ako Bicol Cup, katabang na kasurog pa. Pwede rin tayong mapanood sa YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup. And with that, no, right after I stopped speaking, there was a 3 points by Minalabak, cutting the lead in 1 point. Now, punta po tayo sa ating naudlot na report ni Carmela. Carmela, take it away!
Magandang hapon mga kasurog. This is Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter. We're live dito sa Pamplona Covered Court para sa ating first matchup this Saturday between Team Libmanan and Minalabak. And right now, first quarter na ang nakalipas at dikit agad ang labanan. At kitang-kita naman ang pagtatrabaho ng both teams. Lalong-lalo na ang Team Libmanan. Nakausap ko nga kanina ang kanilang captain ball na si Rodolfo Jimenez at talagang kailangan daw nila ng teamwork dahil wala ang kanilang coach right now. Pero hindi daw nila ito hahayaan na maging hadlang upang makuha ang panalo ngayong laro. Kaya pakabangan at masutukan pa ang mga kaganapan dito sa ating hardcourt dahil marami pang labanan at aksyon ang mga mangyayari. You can also watch us live at Ako Bicol Portalist page, Ako Bicol Online TV, at sa page ni Representative Zaldico. Once again, this is Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter. That will be the latest update right now. Back to the panel.
Thank you sa napakaganda nating courtside reporter na si Miss Carmela Hernandez. Now back to the court. Napakagandang action kanina. No, Minalabak rejecting or Libmanan rather rejecting the attempt of Minalabak and trying to block it once again. But Baal, no, with a wonderful layup and an opportunity for a 3-point play because he was hit in the arms by Libmanan.
So just like yung sinabi ko kanina, partner, yung problema nila sa defense, I think they adjusted to that. And ngayon, as nakikita natin, the tables have turned. Biglang nakuha ng kalamangan ng Minalabak ngayon.
Tama, and I realized, or I just observed, kanina puro fast break ng Minalabak. Now, ng Libmanan rather, now Minalabak is doing fast breaks as well. Oo. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang Lopez. Ang Libmanan. Lopez Shoots. Gutierrez, sorry. So medyo na-interrupt din tayo ng power interruption. So sorry.
Medyo naglalag tayo doon, partner.
Nag-brown out din ng isip. Quick pass inside. Napagandang pasa sana yun. No, pero very quick reflexes by Libmanan.
So from a 1-3-1 defense, biglang pinalitan ng 2-3 zone defense ng Minalabak. So as you can see, nagiging prudent yung coach ng Minalabak adjusting their defense, and I think the coach of Libmanan will talk things over para sa kanilang adjustment dito sa second quarter.
Oh, and para sa mga hindi nanonood dito sa court natin, no, kanina Libmanan were playing without their coach, no, with just their playing coach na si Jimenez. Pero right now, dumating na po ang kanilang coach. So tingnan natin if there will be a change in their strategy given that someone is watching, no, from outside. No, there's an outsider's perspective.
And if you're intently watching sa mga games natin, this is the 17th day ng laro natin. And if we are intently watching the development of Team Minalabak, galing sila sa napaka-impressive upset win against San Fernando. Let's see kung they would capitalize on the momentum they gained from last game.
Tingnan natin, especially that Libmanan is a very strong opponent, no, knowing the roster of their players. And with that, there was an attempt, no, from long range, but they were quite unlucky with that shot.
Medyo may takip pa yung ring dito sa atin. Hindi pa masyadong lumuluwag yung ring para sa side ng Libmanan.
So Minalabak, they are pushing now to the paint. No? They are capitalizing. Sabi mo kanina, most of them are big guys. So they are attacking inside. No? Very rare na tumira sila from outside. So Libmanan with 17 seconds to play. Inbound.
Libmanan moving the ball now from side to side.
Napakagandang ball movement. Tingnan natin kung mako-convert siya into points. No, Agdoro was given a chance to shoot. Pero yan, sabi mo nga kanina, medyo hindi pa bumubuka yung ring dito sa side ng Libmanan. But they are good in defending, so hindi nakakaangat yung puntos ng Minalabak. They keep on intercepting the passes of Minalabak. Thus, they have to make this shot, this next shot, so that they would tie, or probably if they will again shoot from beyond the arc, pwede silang lumamang. Now Arco asking for a screen. Quick pass to Agdoro. Agdoro to Correa. And yun na nga yung sinasabi natin. And that's 3-point is brought to you by Yashano Mall Legazpi. Thank you sa ating mga sponsors. I think it was
Correa shooting from the corner 3 points.
3 points. 3 points in partner, tama, di ba?
Oo, corner 3 point
So,
yun, partner.
Nag-ano kasi ako kasi 31-31 kanina. So there was a delay, no, in the score by the referees. So ngayon, Libmanan with the lead plus Claro with the Eurostep. Pero kinapos yung tira. Giant versus Giant. No, the offensive Giant was destroyed, no, by the wall. 2 walls kasi yun. Medyo mahirap yun i-penetrate.
Kaldagan talaga makikita natin dito. So, kung makikita, di ko alam kung napansin ng Libmanan, but one big guy from Minalabak has difficulty going up and down. Kaya talagang dinadagdagan nila yung intensity ng pagtakbo nila.
Tama, parang nag-abal tong parang may next game pa sila sa ibang lugar, no. Minamadali yung laro. Or maybe they're aiming for a 3-digit score, no, at the end of the game. Now with a quick shot from outside, no good. No, kung mapapansin mo, partner, yung mga tira ngayon ng Libmanan, they are trying to shoot from the distance while Minalabak is still pushing inside the paint. With a jumper, 2 points. I didn't
Just
catch.
like that, partner,
Si
Minalabak regains the lead with a breakdown of the 2-3 defense there.
So this is anyone's game, no? Grabe yung gitgitan. Napakagandang laro. Kaya invite nyo na yung mga kaibigan nyo. I-send nyo na sa mga GC. I-share sa Facebook ang ating live, no? Kasi madami tayong sponsor like Highlands Legazpi. So thank you po. Minalabak, quick pass, napakagandang ball movement yun.
Veteran shot yun. Pinasiguro talagang off the glass. The bank is still open on a Saturday, partner.
Money in the bank. Claro with a revenge. Big defensive rebound pero nawala nung bumagsak siya. And that's a foul called on Team Minalabak. No, sayang. No, you have to secure the ball once you get the rebound. Sabi nga ni sino nga yun? Ni Gory.
Oo,
Coach
ni Akagi.
ni Akagi.
Ni Akagi.
No, he who controls the rebound controls the game. That you have to secure it every time.
So again, basketball is not a one-facet sport. It's a multifaceted game.
Napakagandang linyahan, no, by Coach Mark. Now, again, no, you are watching a seesaw battle between Libmanan and Minalabak. No, hindi mo malalaman kung sino yung mananalo kasi they are leading with 2 or 3 points and then the other team will come back. I think the biggest lead they had so far is a 5-point lead which was cut automatically. Now, Minalabak once again with a quick perimeter shot. Grabe naman talaga. Briva, I think that is back-to-back. That is his back-to-back points. Claro, once again, attacking the paint. Walang bantay, so tinira. You're underestimating me, but he didn't make it. 2 against 1. Wala pa rin.
So parang si Briva dito, partner ng Minalabak, yung perimeter specialist nila. As
Tama.
we can see.
Plus, ang gandang ball movement yun. This time,
By Luha, number
luha
30.
naman. Pinaluha yung bantay na
Pinaluha
with
nga
the 3
talaga.
points. Quick pass inside with a revenge 3-pointer. But that's an air ball. Napakagandang defensive rebound ng Libmanan. Kinapos ng tira yung isang nag-rebound pero sinecure.
What's funny there, partner? There were 3
Hermosa.
black jerseys and 2 white jerseys. And still nakakonvert yung white jersey sa atin.
Napaka-strong glass cleaners nitong mga players natin from Libmanan. Claro from a very long distance shot. No good.
And there's a foul.
Foul call. Tingnan natin, no, if they are to end the game whether in their advantage or mananatiling Minalabak ang leading. Pero I think Claro, no, has been shooting millions of free throws already ever since his high school and collegiate years. No?
Yan.
Pero nasumpa na
Sabi
naman.
ko nga sa'yo, even from the first time tayong nagkasama dito, partner, pag binabati mo, nasusumpa
Nasusumpa.
palagi.
Oo. Pero that's 3 shots. No? Tingnan natin. That's 1 out of 2 already. Tingnan natin kung mas mataas yung percentage ng good shot than the bad shot. And that's 2 out of 3. No? Making Libmanan, no, with a lead of 1 point. Tingin mo, partner, Minalabak would end this second quarter with a bang or Libmanan will hold their advantage?
Let's see, pero if I were Libmanan, kasi definitely, Minalabak is going to inbound the ball from the other side, papunta doon. So wala, hindi kagaya ng fourth quarter na may 14-second timeout tayo.
Oo.
So kung ako yung Libmanan, I'll play zone, but I'll play up para yung point guard, yung bola, bago bumaba, at least may pressure. And yung 6.7 seconds remaining dito, mag-expire, hopefully hindi makakonvert.
Oo,
Kung
bago-
ako yung Libmanan. Pero siyempre kung ako yung Minalabak, I
Bago
would
pa makatawid, no?
Oo, of course. I would force the ball to swing from side to side and find my shooters. Kasi 6.7 seconds remaining
Tama.
na lang tayo.
So why would you wait for your opponent to go to your island when you can destroy them while they're crossing the river? Parang ganun yung bakbakan. With the 3 seconds, running like a wind, quick pass inside. Kaso nagagawa yung dalawang teammates.
And that's what I told you. Libmanan gambled with a man-to-man defense with 6.7 seconds and swerte lang nila na nag-agawan yung dalawa. Di
Tama.
nila na-convert.
Pero without a doubt, napakagandang labanan ito mga kaibigan. Once again, you are watching Libmanan versus Minalabak. Libmanan leading with 1 point. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari on the second half of this game. Magbabalik po kami.
problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon ining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano. Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Muraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol. Tadakulaon ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is Angela Espinacilla, your play-by-play commentator, and with me,
This is Coach Mark, your analyst for this game.
So welcome once again sa mga ka-tune in lang sa ating Ako Bicol Online TV sa Facebook, Ako Bicol Party List at Congressman Rep Zaldico, or sa mga nanonood sa YouTube channel natin which is Ako Bicol Cup. You are watching the Game 1 of Libmanan versus Minalabak. This is the day 17 of Ako Bicol Cup. Of course, brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List and Congressman Zaldico. Katabang na, kasurog pa.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
So,
Siyempre, napakagandang paliga. Ito, premier klase, Ako Bicol Cup.
Tama. No, napakagaling na mga players, staff, napaka high-end equipment. Of course, that is brought to you by IMBC. And that shot by Libmanan. No, Hermosa making the first point for the third quarter. Libmanan securing their 3-point lead. Minalabak. Pumasok ulit si Albao. Belhica with a big man inside. Good pass.
And I think Minalabak would want to play to their strength using PJ Baal as their big man, posting up and converting inside.
Tama, no? If you've seen that play by Baal, no, it's as if he's a king, no, standing among pawns, no, with the height advantage of his. Now Albao, of course, no, trying to penetrate but his double team. Baal once again, but the whistle was blown. So I think they will feed, no, as you've mentioned, partner. They will keep on feeding the ball to Baal, especially that I think is the tallest right now inside the court.
This guy is towering over all the players that we can see here.
Tama. So from the outside, no, Baal screened. So grabe yung ginagawa dito ni Baal with a pass. Napakagandang pasa sana yun.
And again, tama yung observation natin. They're actually finding the ball towards Baal. And now he's rewarded with free throws.
So all he has to do is to make this shot. So hindi muna natin pupuriin para pumasok.
Yan.
We're not taking sides here, pero sa mga nanood ever since day 1, no, minsan pag pinupuri yung player, no, minamalas
may
sa three-pointer.
May, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, jinx mo na naman eh.
Jinx. Now, Libmanan running like a wind. Napakabilis na atake. Ang ginawa ni Lopez. No? If we're not mistaken, no, as you mentioned, partner, Lopez Sharif is playing, no, sa Lyceum of the Philippines or for Lyceum of the Philippines.
LPU to. Pero this guy took his senior high school, I think, in NCF, if I'm not mistaken.
Kaya grabe naman talaga, batak na batak sa basketball. Napakabilis na atake, pero he crosses the side of his defender. Maybe he was looking for an end one there. No, kasi pwede naman dun sa left, or maybe his comfortable shot is using, no, his right hand. Kaya siya pumunta sa side na yun.
Talagang lang, by instinct, yung strong hand, yung strong side yung ginamit niya.
Kaya for those of you who are wondering as well, no, kasi parang kung titingnan nyo, bad decision na pumunta pa siya dun sa defender side, whereas free naman yung left part.
Kaya yung mga nanonood sa atin dyan, it's important that players playing basketball are adept in using the left and right hand.
Para din sila dapat, no, na boxers, they can jab with their left hand and finish strong with their dominant hand, no, kung alin man doon sa dalawa. Now, what a nice dribble, but he was double team. And Lopez, no, with a dipsy, no, finger roll.
Tatanda natin, partner, yung sinabi, kahit nga si Kobe Bryant, sabi niya, there is no good offense when you are doubled.
Tama, and that shot, no, free shot was brought to you by Hotel St. Elise. Visit them, no, when you travel to Legazpi or Albay. Nice! Parang lumilipad.
Kumapi pa sa ere itong Masbanyo.
Napakagandang talon ni Masbanyo. Pero I think it was too aggressive back there. Siya ba yung tinawagan ng foul? So nakadalawa na si Masbanyo. No? He was signaling the referee. Ayan, no? Meron din tayong mga audience dito.
And just like that, partner, nakikita natin na lumobo kaagad sa 8 points yung kalamangan ng Libmanan by opting to run and give the ball sa middle. I think Hermosa already converted 4 points, 2 out of 2 sa middle ngayong second quarter.
Yun, napakagandang layup, partner. So those different shots, 3 shots by Libmanan was brought to you by Elise Sutel, Mesibis Bay, and I think there was one Ecotel kanina. No? I-mentioned it natin.
Siyempre, nakuha yan ng ating napakagaling
na
cameraman.
Kuhang-kuha. Oo. Ang napakagandang lipad. No? Very commended yung lipad ni Masbanyo doon. So, Minalabak with an opportunity. So yan, I think this is the biggest lead so far, no, since the start. Mukhang umi-epekto na yung pagod, no, at init dito sa court natin. So it's basketball, no, sabi nga ni Coach Mark kanina, is a multifaceted game. So it's not just about shooting, no, or defending. It's also about running, no, and
yung conditioning, partner.
Yung cardiovascular strength, endurance, no, your stamina. Now Jimenez, I think this is the first appearance, or I think kanina nailabas agad siya. So tingnan natin, no, he was also the playing coach of Libmanan. Tingnan natin kung magbabago yung game, no, with his presence inside the court.
So if I'm not mistaken, partner, if Hermosa converts 2 for 2, he already contributed 6 points dito lang sa third quarter. So Minalabak has to do a better job in covering this guy up. Kaya kasama din si Masbanyo doon, taking the damage from inside. Kaya lang nabati.
So this nasumpa. So this is a crunch time for Minalabak kasi pag lumobo dito, medyo mag-struggle na sila sa fourth quarter. They have to keep at least, no, a very close score. Baal, no, knowing the strategy, is being double team by Minalabak, and that's a good defense by Libmanan. No, converting it probably to a point. Tingnan natin kung masusumpa, at nasumpa nga. Pero Baal loses the ball, yet it was recovered by his teammate. That's 2 against 3, and it was blocked. But I think there was a whistle blown.
There was a whistle sa baba
before that block. So I think Baal was communicating with his teammate to improve their ball handling and ball passing. Kasi hindi nila na-utilize yung height advantage nila against Libmanan. So Belzica securing his first shot.
Tignan natin kung ma-convert niya 2 for 2 dito, partner.
Okay, tingnan natin. Wag muna nating puriin si Belzica kasi yun na nga. Kahit hindi pinuri talaga, no. Minsan kasi pagod na yung mga players, no. Kahit master mo yung court at yung distance, yung exhaustion is a big part of your shooting percentage. Now, Maroons 22. That's Baal. But no good. He was asking, no, looking for a foul, pero
actually Baal was baiting for a foul there, pero hindi siya tinawagan. And just like that, Lopez slices and dices against the big man, converts the 2.
Napakagandang cutting skill ngayon ni Lopez, showing his youthful energy.
Oo, sabi nga natin, it's good to be young.
Tama, napakabilis na makbo. Jimenez against all odds. And that shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi.
Minalabak has to do a better job on their transition defense, their partner.
Tama, they have to step up their defense kasi grabe, pag nag-fast break na ang Libmanan, parang tumatayo na lang yung mga players ng Minalabak. While it's good that they're still scoring, no, Libmanan is penetrating their defense. And even shooting from long range. Mabuti na lang hindi yun pumasok kasi it would be a double-digit lead.
But the ball is still belongs to the white jerseys. Sabi nga natin, partner, the defensive sequence does not end until the defense gets the defensive rebound.
Tama. And with that, this is the first 2-digit lead of the game. Libmanan with 11 points on their advantage.
Parang naantok sa init yung Minalabak natin, natutulog yung depensa sa ilalim.
Tama. And Baal, no commented. Ito yung dapat ginagawa nila.
pinakita.
Yun yung kaninang kinakapitalize nila. Baal, being the big man, they're feeding the passes. At kumukulit sa defense yung medyo not that big. So yan, dapat antayin siguro nila. Pero they are trying, no, with 2 against 4. Ang bilis bumaba, or 3 against 4. Pero still, no, very nice.
Another Baal converting there, partner.
No,
we have 2 Baals here.
So hindi lang pala, no, the Giant.
Oo, di lang si PJ yung Baal dito. Isa pa yung number 22
si
na
Kyle.
Baal.
Si
Kyle Baal.
Libmanan now trying to push their way in, pero the whistle was blown.
And that's another offensive rebound from Masbanyo, partner. Actually, that's not an offensive rebound, but Masbanyo is actually winning the 50-50 balls.
Now, the coach of Libmanan is clearing their bench para mga fresh runners siguro with a quick pick and roll. No good for their quick shot attempt. Minalabak now.
Minalabak opting to play a pensive offense here by finding their players.
But
and
yun,
that was almost a steal. So parang nare-realize na ngayon ng Libmanan defense that Minalabak is actually locating their big guy, primarily PJ Baal.
tama. And yan, no, nakapag-rest kasi yung mga pinasok ni coach, kaya they're very active in and out. Now with their rebound, of course, Gutierrez, lob pass to Candelaria.
And Candelaria scores their partner.
Napakagandang
uses the bank yun.
Tama. No? At napakagandang pasa, of course, by his teammate. Minalabak. Still struggling. Baal. Pass it inside.
Baal to Baal, partner.
Baal to Baal connection.
Baal to Baal, high-low connection, partner.
And Baal once
Oh.
again. No, intercepting that pass. Baal pushes forward. Tries a floater using the board. But no good. No, it didn't reach the basket. Candelaria, quick pass to Agdoro, but Agdoro slips. And that's a turnover.
Isa yan sa mga, actually partner, yung mga ganitong klaseng unforced errors. Isa yan sa mga head scratchers para sa mga coaches.
Tama.
Kasi unforced nga eh. Wala naman nagbantay sa'yo, bakit mo nabitawan?
At napakagandang pasa sana yun, no? An easy conversion kasi napakalapit niya na sa basket. Pero again, no? Basketball, of course, sa game of, aside from ball, aside from physical game, no, mental game din siya.
Oo.
And yan, no, while we're in the game, pakinggan natin muna ang report, no, ni Carmela Hernandez. Carmela, the floor is yours.
Nandito na nga muli ang coach ng Team Libmanan, kaya naman Team Libmanan is back on track again. And this third quarter, nakakalamang na muli ang Team Libmanan with a score of 62 points. As we can see, mas gumagana na ang kanilang ball rotation at mas pinapalakas pa nila ang kanilang opensa at depensa. At mas mag-focus sa kanilang run and gun play style. Kaya mas tutukan pa natin ang mga magiging adjustment pa nila sa laro ngayong hapon. Yan muna ang latest update dito sa ating courtside. Balik sa inyo, Coach Angelo and Coach Mark.
Thank you so much, Carmela. No, napakagandang input by the coach of Libmanan. Run and gun, no, meaning you have to run from coast to coast, and if my opportunity, shoot the ball, no, rather than passing it so much.
Oo, kasi again, playing to their strengths ito. Ayaw nilang mag-set ng offense. Ang offense nila, main offense nila, the primary offense is the fast break.
Tama. No, and they will just utilize their passing kapag gantong may mga dead ball. Now, napakagandang pasa ni Claro. Pero, yan, hermosa. No, medyo
missing the bunny there, partner.
Sayang. No, it should have been an easy hop. But now, 3 points by Briva. That 3 points is brought to you by Misibis Bay. Now, revenge 3-pointer, parang ito yung psychology ng laro, di ba? Pag nakita mo nag-3-point yung kalaban, magti-3-point ka rin. And that 3-point was brought to you by Yashan Molegaspi. And visit them, no? Para pag uwi mo ng Naga, meron kang Jayco. Oo. Ayan. The only mall, I think, no, with Jayco store here in Bicol. I think Sorsogon meron na din. Agdoro! So eto na, Agdoro, another 3-point brought to you by Ellis Ecotel. So kung gusto nyo ng mga affordable na hotel kapag bibisita ng Albay, no, at titingnan yung magnificent view ng Mayon, visit our sponsors.
Ellis Ecotel.
Now Albao, with a revenge 3-pointer, partner yung payong mo!
Oo,
ilabas mo na!
Umuulan dito kahit mainit, umuulan pa rin.
Umuulan ng tres, no? Back-to-back 3 points for both teams. No, they are creating a statement that if you can do that, we can do that as well. Tingnan natin if they're still throw the ball from beyond the arc. Claro, trying with a 3 seconds remaining. Nice pass inside, but rejected by the big man. Tinayuan lang, partner.
That was a good defense by PJ Baal, just standing his ground with a smaller offensive player. And Baal getting that defense.
Napakagandang laro ang pinapakita dito mga kaibigan ng Libmanan at Minalabak. No? Libmanan with only a 6-point lead against Minalabak. Tingnan natin ang replay brought to you by IMBC.
Kung makikita natin, partner, Minalabak is opting to play pensive defense, meaning they're trying to set the ball, finding the big man, but at the expense of the run and gun offense ng Libmanan.
Tama.
If Minalabak fails to convert most of its offensive possession, talagang mangangalagwa dito yung Libmanan sa run and gun.
Tama. So dapat they have to, I think, no, most of the strategy, merong iniiwang isa, no, sa kabilang side ng court to defend for the fast break. But ang danger naman nun, no, during their offense, kulang din sila. So tingnan natin kung anong magiging adjustment ng Minalabak so that they can step up their game and cut the lead of Libmanan in this fourth and final quarter game. Mga kaibigan, again, no, sa mga nanonood sa live natin, thank you for watching. You may invite your friends to watch sa ating mga FB pages, Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List, and Congressman Rep Saldico. Live na live din po tayo sa YouTube channel, which is Ako Bicol Cup. Now Albao passes it to the outside. And I think na-observe yun ng coach nila. No, the 3-point is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise. Sabi ng coach, parang ang gagaling ng mga 3 points nyo ngayon. Siniswerte. So why not utilize it in our advantage?
Oo, partner. Not only on one end of the court, but also the other end. Dumudulas na yung butas ng ring, partner.
Napakagandang description at imagery yun, partner. Tingnan natin if they're still used the outside, pero napagandang ball play because Libmanan was anticipating for more 3 points. They opt to penetrate inside. No, they are now confusing the defense of Libmanan, and it shows kasi 1-point lead na lang ang Libmanan. Correa to Claro. Claro with a perimeter shot. Hits the rim but never the basket with a big defensive rebound by
Luha, number 13.
Oh, pumasok na si Luha sa court. Tingnan natin kung papaiyakin niya ang Libmanan or papanindigan niya ang kanyang apelido pagkatapos ng larong ito.
Oo. Para tuloy na double-edged sword yung pangalan niya dito, partner.
Pero nonetheless, no, mga kaibigan, these are all-star players, no, playing at their best kasi napakagandang labanan. Usually, games during the fourth quarter, nasa 40-30 lang siya. Pero dito with good offense and defense for both teams, they're almost to 70 points. No? Parang ang aim talaga nila, maka 100. But tingnan natin, no? Kung mangyayari yung goal. No? Goal na sinet up ko. Hindi naman ang team nila. Tingnan natin if they'll reach.
So Libmanan is actually playing a box and one scenario against Luha, being the main scorer from the outside. And just like that, from the corner,
throws the ball, but no good. Ito na, medyo inalat na. Tingnan natin if they'll still throw the ball from beyond the line. Claro with a bounce pass inside with a supposed layup, pero it was intercepted from down below and the whistle was blown.
If Minalabak wants to win the game, partner, I suggest they tighten their transition offense. Kasi 4 na yung nakababa na players from Minalabak, pero naka-transition pass pa rin si Claro doon, partner. At ngayon, nag-free throw na siya.
No. Si Candelaria, partner, yung nag-free throw.
Oo,
pero
so,
yung pasa, no, napakaganda, no, commended. Kasi I think it's a product of the several games of Claro, no, being the point guard of NCF way back in his college, no, and also in his high school. So it pays off, no, the experiences, no, the court awareness of being a point guard for several years. So tingnan natin if Minalabak would create or will cut the lead into a deadlock with the 8 minutes remaining time. So they really stepped up, no, ng third quarter, lalo na sa last remaining minutes. Pero ngayon medyo inaalat, pero still, no, they still have the ball possession. Attacking the paint, we have Divino, but he didn't connect. And a nice pass to Claro. Claro, no, from coast to coast. Kanina pa to si Claro during first quarter, and still, he has the stamina.
Right
So,
on cue sa run and gun.
Again, kailangan talaga no, na mahaba yung bodega mo, yung gasolina mo para tumakbo.
So, doble yung effort na kailangan mo. Sabi nga sa English, double the effort kasi maliban sa mainit yung laro, mainit din yung panahon. So I think this is also one part na kailangan natin tignan dito. So the players are also working double time both on offense and defense.
Kaya kung makikita mo, tumatagaktak yung pawis nila, no? They're struggling. Pero yung takbo ni Claro, parang gusto niya pang maglaro sa next game. And speaking of next game, stay tuned lang kayo mga kaibigan kasi we have Gainsa versus San Fernando. So you may invite your friends, no, na mga taga Gainsa at San Fernando. Free po ang Ako Bicol Cup. So punta lang po kayo dito sa Pamplona Court. Now Claro with a lob pass to inside. Masbanyo. Napakaganda, no, nakikita niya yung mga opportunity.
Oo, partner. And if you can see, Masbanyo, although hindi siya yung pinakamatangkad sa court, plays the biggest play as if he's the biggest player sa loob, playing the inside position.
Tama, no, if he doesn't have the height, no, he's capitalizing or he's securing the jumps, no, napakaganda at napakataas na talon.
Right on cue, partner.
And that
Masbanyo na
was
naman.
brought to you by the Mesibis Bay.
Right on cue, Masbanyo jumps out of nowhere and receives the pass.
Napaganda. And another interception, no, made by, and I think that's a UF.
Unsportsmanlike foul. So before, partner, yan yung mga tinatawag nating duty foul. But of course, alam natin that basketball is a dynamic sport and of course, officiating also evolves with it. So ngayon, hindi na yan pwede. That when an offensive player during the fast break already has an advantage, pero finaul mo siya, pwedeng tawagan talaga yan ng unsportsmanlike foul.
Especially, partner, no, because they are running, no, if you're running with speed, no, and aggression, you have your momentum, tapos i-interrupt ka, what if tumadon ka, no? That's very dangerous.
May mga injury prone type of fouls. And yun na nga, the
Upon
motion,
replay, no?
the motion or the signal for an unsportsmanlike foul from our referee here.
So he will be given free throws plus ball possession. So yan yung danger naman, no. You want to avoid an easy layup, but you are, no, receiving the consequences of having 2 free throws plus a ball possession, no, na pag na-convert would be a total of 4 points instead of 2 points sana.
Yes, exactly, partner. So this is actually a deflating sequence para si Minalabak given that they're actually trying to cut the lead. And just like that, lumobo ulit into a 7-point lead yung Kalamangan ng Libmanan.
So tingnan natin, no, kung ano yung magiging solusyon dito. Baal easily receiving that pass and fast break. Hindi na sumabay, no, to avoid a foul kasi nauna na tumakbo sa kanya si Luha. So Luha napakabilis tumakbo. Gutierrez pump fakes, drives into the key with a floater. No good. Masbanyo, napakabilis. Out of nowhere, no? An assassin ready to struck you with a knife.
Oo, parang cobra tong Masbanyo na to. Bigla na lang parang napakan. Yun na, tinuka ka na, di mo alam.
Yung parang sasaludin lang sana ang bola tapos biglang may agaw sa'yo. Claro, now with the ball. To Lopez. Back to Lopez from downtown. Still no luck. And intercepted. No, block by Baal. Grabe ang trabaho dito ni Baal, no? Both on defense and offense, kaya nag-struggle din siyang bumaba. Kung makikita natin sa camera. Pero as a good player, nandito pa rin siya. Pero nagkaroon ng miscommunication doon. Nagtabi-tabi silang tatlo. Albao, rather, with 10 seconds to play. Baal throws the ball because there was a shouting of 5-4 daw. Claro, now running very fast. No look pass inside to Masbanyo. Napakagandang connection itong dalawa, no? As if they are having telepathy. Natitingin ako sa labas pero ipapasa ko sa iyo kaya ihanda mo ang kamay mo at tumira ka sa loob.
Masbanyo's energy is actually affecting the entire team. Infectious yung energy ni Masbanyo. Talagang tumatakbo siya sa full length of the court.
Tingnan
and
natin.
Claro now taking the long shot. Yan lang.
No good. And I think that's a good attempt kasi free siya doon. And of course, to confuse the enemy, no, na akala nyo lagi ko lang ipapasa. So you have to guard me as well. No, to lessen the guard inside and a quick pass to Claro and another pass. Pero I think that was
3 seconds. Overzealous passing from the side of Libmanan.
Pinuri kasi natin ng pinuri yung mga pasa niya. So pinasa niya.
Oo. Medyo nailang siya doon kasi
he could have thrown the ball.
Yes. So imbis na itira niya, sabi niya, bakit di mo tinira? Pinasa ko na sa'yo sa loob.
Gusto atang maging Kuroko. Pero commended, no, napakagandang mga pasa ito ni Claro. He's generating the ball. So that shot was brought to you by Yashano Mall and Ellis Ecotel. Of course, the Highlands Legazpi. So napakagandang play ang pinapakita. Ayun, ang no-look pass, no, into a reverse layup against 3. No, walang takot si Masbanyo and another one.
So if Minalabak fails to defend the scoring spurt that Libmanan is actually showing now, I think Minalabak will not want or will not be beneficial in terms of the result at the end game.
So tingnan natin, no. Definitely, Minalabak has to step up kasi 4 minutes and 30 seconds na lang yung natitira. Tingnan natin kung ano yung adjustment ang gagawin nila between this. Kasi they are being destroyed by Claro and Masbanyo in the rim. So tingnan natin kung babantayan ba nilang masyado si Claro or they will strengthen their guard inside or under the basket. Pero I think, yan, Claro is still crossing the half court for free.
Calmly crosses the ball and ayun na nga.
Gutierrez with a Euro step into a jumper but no good.
Napaka-loose. Kung makikita natin, partner, napaka-loose ng 2-3 defense ng Minalabak. And yun na nga. Forcing the issue is number 23 of Minalabak.
That's
that is Divino and gets an end one there.
At ito yung kailangan nila. That shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise. No, napakagandang tira kasi very, very needed nila yung 2 points and it's a bonus, no, if you can get a foul from your shots.
So they need to score in bunches if they want to win this game with 4 minutes, 1 second left in this 4th and final quarter, partner.
Strengthen your defense and secure your offenses. But of course, your enemies are not statues. So they will try to score, no?
Di
and
naman
defend
cone
as well.
yung kalaban natin dito, partner. Mga tao talaga to.
And Masbanyo proving that he can shoot from the outside yet misses. Minalabak again with an opportunity to Albao. Albao being double team. Kanina pa to na double team. No, being a short player, I think it's a disadvantage kasi mahirapan ka magpasa at tumira. But again, the Claro and Masbanyo connection. But medyo kinulang.
And the ball is awarded to Minalabak, partner.
Napakagitgitan ng labanan, mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin, no? It's anybody's ball game. Sino kaya ang mananalo sa unang laro? Napakainit na laro ng Libmanan versus Minalabak. Attacking to Albao. Pump fakes. I think they're passing the ball so much. No, gandang opportunity na sana yung tumira, pero I think Albao is not confident to make a 3 at that very moment.
Ganoon na nga, partner, sinub out na si Albao because I think exhaustion has already taken its toll sa decision-making ni Albao na napaka-open na ayaw pa rin itira.
No? So, I think that's a good call by the referee. Pahinga ka muna, bata, at babalik ka mamaya.
Oo.
Now, Libmanan, Lopez asking for a screen. Jumps from 3-point, but that's a traveling violation. No, that's a very costly mistake, especially they're only leading with 5 points.
Nakalimutan niya na tumapak na siya ng isa, tumapak pa ulit, and tumapak pa ulit. So that's a traveling.
3 steps, no? And another whistle. So grabe na ang contact ngayon, no? Kasi they really want to win.
Oo, that's an off-ball foul against Libmanan. Holding on the biggest guy on the court, number 17, Engineer PJ Baal. And that's penalty. If I'm Minalabak, I would love my situation right now because I'm in penalty. I can slow down the game given that I convert my free throws, partner.
Tama. So I think, no, they'll capitalize on this one and they'll keep attacking on the paint para may laging may sumasabit. No, cutting, of course, the time, pausing the time, and of course, getting their free throws. And yun na nga, na-convert, no, ni Baal ang foul into 2 points. So mag-update ang ating score. 2 points in, partner, tama, di ba?
Yes.
So I think that's 79-77, pero medyo nagkaka-problem ata sa ating
I think
referee.
76, partner, is the correct score.
The correct score. No, from 74. Tama. Because
tama.
it was a 5-point lead. So thank you for correcting me, partner. Now, quick pass to Baal against 3. No good for the Giant. Claro against 2. Very wise. Nagantay ng kakampi. Signaling na let's slow down. No, let's slow the pace. Pero Masbanyo against all odds. Anong antay-antay sa'yo?
And the ball is actually awarded to Minalabak.
And yan, makikita mo, no, Claro was saying that's okay. No, bawi tayo sa next offensive play. And you can hear, no, the very nice voice of Alex Madronio, aka Kappa Morgan, saying that it's the last 2 minutes of the game. That's why Lopez is trying to push hard, no, in order to secure a safe lead, no, to control this game.
And that's a foul, a transition foul. Well, actually, a good foul sa part ng Minalabak kasi medyo late sila doon and wala na silang pwedeng gawin. So, instead of bailing them out, okay, sabi niya, ikaw, Lopez, earn these 2 points sa free throw.
So, yan, kasi Lopez, no, as we were saying a while ago, is a player, no, in the Lyceum of the Philippines, securing and showing, no, that he's good both in attacking and in the free throws. So that's an easy 2 points for Lopez. Now, Libmanan leading with 5 points. Napakagandang atake, pero yun na yung sinasabi natin. At least magagamit natin sa first game.
And yun na nga, offensive rebound by Baal and scores 2 points there.
That was $1 million play, drive, pero a 25-cent shot. No, pero again, no, Baal securing the point. Now, with Lua with an opportunity behind the back pass.
That's an ill-advised pass, partner. You should na well sa akin, di ba?
Oo, as a coach, no, papagalitan mo yun.
Oo, siyempre. Parang di mo naman kailangan gawin yon. Pwede mo naman batakin yung bola palabas. Bakit ka magagawa ng mga ganyang gamble at this point?
You can simply drop it in front.
Exactly.
No? Pero I think because of instincts, no, yun na yun. No? As
parang,
a player with good ball handling.
Parang natakot siya sa taong parang tumapon sa kanya sa unahan. And he saw, I think, a teammate. So he dropped the ball from behind.
The back. Okay. So, 3-point lead, no? Minalabak with the ball possession with seconds to play. Napaka-exciting ng laro! And 2-point converted by Divino. So 1-point lead lang ang kalamangan ng Libmanan, mga kaibigan.
So,
ito na yung paulit-ulit nating sinasabing, it's anybody's ball game.
And remember sa basketball, partner, basketball is, it doesn't matter if you started strong, but how you finish the game.
Tama, no? Dapat tapusin mo ang iyong sinimulan.
At this point, partner, Libmanan is leading by 1 point. I think the coach of Libmanan is actually talking over things, and I think they're going to milk the clock and secure an offensive, a successful offensive conversion here. At the side of Minalabak naman, they have to do a better job of defending, and not only defending but finishing the defensive sequence with a defensive rebound, because size is on their side. So I think on the other end, gagamitin din nila yung size nila sa para mag-convert sila ng points.
And yan, with that, Minalabak, as he was observing the hand gestures of the coach of Libmanan, he called for another timeout. No, I think he will change his plan given and seeing who are the person inside. I think ang pinasok kasi ng coach ng Libmanan are the big man. So, tingnan natin, of course, with Claro still inside, babad na babad.
I think, partner, kung makashoot or makakonvert dito yung Libmanan, I think lang, hula lang, di ko alam. Pero parang feeling ko magta-timeout yung Minalabak to go with things over their team. Pero tignan natin kung ano yung...
Kasi pag naka-point ang Libmanan, that would be kung 2 shots yung 2-point rather yung gagawin nila. That's a 3-point lead. So magdidiskarte sila kung magti-3-point ba or aatake with an end one.
So a single possession or 2 possession lead yung kung yung pwedeng mangyari dito from the side of Libmanan.
Of course, they have to guard Claro right now. And that's a turnover. No, what a sudden change of events. Tingnan natin. Pero I think with this very crucial game, i-replay ng referee ang call na yon.
So, fortunate enough, dahil nga sa napakagandang sistema natin dito sa Ako Bicol Cup, brought to you by the Ako Bicol Party List, Congressman Saldico, we have the luxury of actually replaying a very clear replay by our camera crew.
Tama, no? And of course, this is also brought to you by one of the biggest, if not the only sports channel in Bicol, IMBC.
IMBC.
Napaka-high-tech ng ating mga teknolohiya.
One of the best, if not the best.
Kahit yung mga kapugian ng mga referee natin, kitang-kita. No, kahit yung pimples, makikita mo talaga
Wag
sa
naman,
mga players.
partner.
Mga players, partner. And that's a ball possession awarded to Minalabak. Napakagandang turn of events. So meaning, Minalabak has the opportunity
to take the lead.
Yes.
With 47 seconds left, tignan natin how they're going to play with this possession. Libmanan opting to play man-to-man defense.
Sa mga nanunood dyan, sa kanilang sofa, make sure na nakakapit kayo or naka-seatbelt kayo kasi probably you're also at the edge of your seat.
Nail-biter game to. Nail-biter game.
Grabe, ever since, as we were mentioning, this is a CISO battle. And nasustain nila yon until the very last seconds of the game. Now, Minalabak, of course, generating the game properly. Heavily guarded. They feed the ball to the Giant. And yung favorite, Dirk Nowitzki shot niya, misses. So, Claro, now with the ball possession, trying to stop the time by running away.
So, kahit pa maka-convert sila dito, partner.
Tinira ni Masbanyo with that and a revenge defensive layup with a 10 seconds to play. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari, mga kaibigan. Minalabak, pinilit. Defensive rebound di Baal. Baal, tipping off. 2 seconds. Takes the shot. No good.
No good. And that's the end of the ball game, partner. What a scintillating end to a very exciting ball game. Multiple possessions from the side of Minalabak, but they were unable to convert at their end. Good thing, nakatakas by their hairs yung Libmanan dito, partner.
And you can see Baal was bowing down because he had the ball, he had the rebound, but he missed the very, very important shot of their team. That's why umapproach agad the giant Baal, si Paul. Comforting, of course, probably his brother or his relative.
Saka kudos sa mga officiating natin for letting the players play the game, not the officials deciding who wins this ball game. So napakaganda ng nangyari sa atin dito. At ito pa lang ang first game natin.
Tama, partner.
First game pa lang yan,
stay tuned
partner.
lang kayo.
Oo.
Napakagandang laro, mga kaibigan. Nagbabaga.
Nagbabaga yung labas sa init. Nagbabaga din dito dahil sa mga pangyayari sa loob ng court.
And
so
of course,
very exciting.
Coach Mark, this is powered by our sponsors. We have Mississippi Bay.
Mississippi Bay, we have Highlands, Legazpi,
And we
Hotel
have-
St. Ellis.
And Hotel Venetia. Thank you so much sa ating mga generous sponsors.
Oo.
Baka naman.
Baka naman,
May
oo.
mga voucher, one night voucher. Pero sa mga visitors natin, sa mga nanunood from the different provinces here in in Bicol, especially sa mga municipalities in Camarines Sur. If you are to go to Albay, to witness the magnificence of our Mount Mayon, you can stay here, sa mga magagandang resort at hotel flashed on the street.
So if we'll summarize yung nangyari dito sa ating partner, and while we're waiting for the Kasarog player of the game, yun na nga, the defensive woes of Minalabak plagued them, and parang naging yung sa mga main reason kung bakit sila natalo dito. Yung transition defense nila against the run and gun offense that prevailed over the Minalabak pensive defense.
Pero yun nga, partner, sayang, I think they still maintain their momentum. Nagkataon lang na dun sa last few seconds ng laro, they were unlucky.
They were actually able to get the shot they want after nung timeout. Nang na-receive ni Baal yung bola from the middle, it's just that they weren't able to convert it. And on the last second, it was anybody's ball game. Yun lang, hindi pinalad yung Minalabak. And Libmanan are running away with the win, just like their offense.
And that's how wonderful the game of basketball is. Kaya pasalamatan natin si Congressman Saldico at ang Ako Bicol Party List for bringing the Ako Bicol Cup here in Camarines Sur. Especially they are bringing the game for every municipality. So hindi lang siya sa isang stationary covered courts. Pero we are going to Sangay, to Iriga, Sipokot, San Fernando, you name it. And now we're here in Pamplona.
Oo, talagang may full representation dito ng mga district. And just like that, we're here with our Kasurog player of the game, Mr. number 11, Mr. Masbanyo, with Carmela. Carmela, take it away.
With me is our Kasurog player of the game, jersey number 11, Marginal Masbanyo, with 18 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists. What a game for you, Marginal. First of all, congratulations. Grabe yung pinakita mong laro sa game na to. So, how do you feel right now na another victory naman to para sa Team Libmanan?
Ano lang po, yung mga, kahit, aminado naman ako kung wala kaming practice, bira lang magkita-kita, pero ginawa pa rin namin yung best namin para sa team.
That's it. So, matanong ko lang, at the very beginning of this game, wala pa yung coach nyo. Ano ba yung naging strategy nyo at naitagumpay nyo pa rin ito?
Yung yung playing coach na lang po, yung pinag-ano namin, yung si BB Menes yan. Thank you. Shout out kay BB Menes. Yan, magaling mag-coach kasi yan si BB Menes.
Yun na nga, may gusto ka bang i-shout out o batiin or do you want someone to acknowledge?
Shout out pala sa Team Lopez yan. Si Sharif Lopez from LPU, umuwi pa ng Bicol. Yan. Kay BB Menes yan, kay Jess Camara, Mayor Jess Camara yan, salamat. At yan kay Raymart Pontiliano, kay Lemmy Peltiliano, Yan, Team Lopez.
That's it. Once again, congratulations at sa team ninyo, Marginal. So yun na nga, muling magbabalik ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur para sa Game 2.